Hey guys, my name is Cole.
And I'm Erin. And
Let's move in! Where are you guys from?
From Jefferson City, Missouri.
Marie Springs, Missouri.
I'm from Lewiston, Idaho.
Owen County, Kentucky.
Billings, Montana.
I'm from Kauai.
It looks like you need some help. Would you like some help? Sure. Okay. I got this.
Yeah, that sounds great.
What are you looking forward to the most today?
Probably the complimentary lunch.
Is your daughter bringing a lot of stuff?
A whole lot of stuff. I'm not sure if the entire dorm is hers.
Of your daughter's things, what is something you think she probably shouldn't have brought with her?
She brought squishmallows.
What is a squishmallow?
Like, instead of throw pillows for her bed, she brought like these kid stuffed animals, squishmallows.
Mom, what is the one thing that you think that your daughter probably shouldn't have brought?
Oh, perfect. These right here. Probably should not have brought these, but whatever.
I think that they were a great purchase and that they should have been here.
What's something that you're like, you don't have to bring that?
Squishmallows, but they're here.
This is Evangeline. We bought her when we came for our tour to Evangel, and here she is.
This is Evangeline. Should be going up to Spence with me.
What is your favorite launch event that Evangel puts on?
Playfair is a lot of fun.
Oh my gosh, Playfair is so much fun. Everybody gets together. We have this huge rock, paper, scissors tournament. It's literally the best.
I'm a little offended that your answer wasn't Worship at Sunset, but it's
actually,
okay.
My favorite event is Worship at Sunset.
I'd like to say, my favorite event is Worship at Sunset.
Oh, what a good Christian answer. Very nice.
When I say E, you say you. E.
You!
You!
No, E!
Guys,
E!
I think I have heat exhaustion.
Okay, she's got heat exhaustion. We'll cut the cam.
What are you most looking forward to about your daughter's first year away from home?
I get my bathroom back.
What's one piece of advice that you'd like to give your sister as she goes into college?
Take showers.
Do you think your daughter will pass her first room check?
No.
Okay, we have it here, folks. We have it here. What's your daughter's name again?
Autumn Dubose.
Autumn Dubose. Your dad does not think you are going to pass. You have to prove him wrong. You have to prove him wrong.
What's one piece of advice you would give your daughter?
So I would say trust in the Lord with all your heart, and remember that always. And then actually, I bought her this pillow, and I think this is good advice for all college students. Call your mothers, okay? Call your mothers. Not a text, not a Snapchat, call your mothers.
So you're looking ahead 4 years, you're graduating from Evangel University. Do you think that you'll be engaged or married at that time?
I don't know. I mean, I'm open to options, I suppose, but I mean, sure, engaged. I don't know. Sure, yeah.
All right, ladies, he thinks he will be engaged in 4 years, so be looking out for Brian's.
Yeah.
All right, we're outside Josiah Moore's room here on S2N, so he's gonna show us off his crib.
Hey guys, welcome to my room.
Oh, let's go in. Tell us about your light situation here.
Well, you know, these are really a lot more fun. Here, watch this. Oh yeah, look at that. Come on now.
The music is just bumping.
Yeah.
Do you have any dad jokes for us?
What starts with an E and ends with an E, but only has one letter?
I don't know what.
An envelope.
I like it.
So when does a joke become a dad joke?
I don't know. When does a joke become a dad joke?
When it becomes apparent.
Wordplay. There we go. Well, you know, these dorms have a lot of history in them. I was a Scott resident myself, and one thing I know about Scott guys is we just love art. We really appreciate photography and the visual arts. And so I'm here with an RA, and would you mind just explaining what this picture is? You have, what's the story here?
Our beautiful picture of Taylor Lautner is actually for our Cleanest Room Award.
So let me get this straight. If you have the cleanest room, your reward is you have to hang this picture of Taylor Lautner in your room for at least 2 weeks.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
What advice would you give for the parents?
Oh no, wait till you get home to cry. But
All right. Awesome.
What advice do you have for your mother?
Call me. Send money. Biggest advice, just jump in. I know you may be scared or overwhelmed or even like super excited and too much, but just take a step forward and Evangel will meet you and we will have something for you and it will be an incredible experience.
Well, advice, dad jokes, and squishmallows, oh my, it was so great meeting all of you.
We can't wait to see you at all of the weekend's launch events, and welcome to Evangel.